Alright, so I'm out here with the beacon for the Pro Max, and if you notice here on the bottom, I've made a do-it-yourself dead cat for the mic. I'm not sure if it's going to work or not, so that's the purpose of this video here, is to test it out to see if it actually reduces any wind noise. Now, as you can see, there's no wind today. It's just a mild breeze, but I'll test it out as I walk the dog. And then I'll try to follow up with a bike ride to see if it actually reduces any wind. Alright, so I am testing out the beacon without the joystick on the Hover Air X1 Pro Max. Walking the dog here, just taking a quick stroll. So yeah, the purpose of this test is just to test out a little wind canceling dead cat that I made. It's a do-it-yourself project. I just wanted to see if it cancels any wind noise. I doubt that it'll cancel anything significant. It's not that windy today, it's a little breeze. But yeah, I'll do this test again also with my bike, riding my bike. So that'll be more of a real test to see if it actually works. Come on, let's go. Hey. So that's basically it. Anyway, you guys let me know how it sounds. It's not a long test or video. Just wanted to come out here real quick and test it out while I walk on in a mild breeze condition. And yeah, that's basically it. So I'm going to continue walking the dog here, and then I'll follow up with the bike ride. So I'm here with the beacon. I already have it mounted, as you can see, on the bike mount, which I actually purchased from Hover. I believe it's on sale, so you guys might want to jump in on that discount offer. Anyway, you don't have to have the original Hover bike mount. You can just use any third-party attachment, bike mount attachment, sorry. But you do need to have this magnetic mounting clip. So just keep that in mind. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do a quick bike run and test out this do-it-yourself dead cat that I made. Hopefully it reduces the wind. If not, it's okay. I just did it for fun. One more thing I forgot to mention to you guys. Hover Air just released a new firmware which optimizes a few things, one of those being the cycling mode. So I'm going to be testing that in this bike ride. I have it set to flat and mid distance. This is going to be a very short bike ride. Not doing anything long. Let's see, hopefully I haven't moved yet, so now I'm getting some wind in my face. Hopefully it's canceling out that wind noise. Now I'm not gonna say that it's gonna cancel all the wind noise. I mean, on a very windy day, I have no clue if it'll work or not. But as a do-it-yourself project, I just wanted to see what it does. Go around here so it doesn't hit that bush. See, it sounds good. Now I got some wind going there. So I don't know if it affected the audio recording. Now I'm going slow here. Now there's some wind picking up here. Hopefully it sounds better. I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments. Alright. So I'm going to continue talking here. Here we have some wind picking up. There's a guy walking here, so I'm going to slow down as to not bother him. And let me see if I could pass him, and then we'll call it a wrap. You gotta be very careful. You don't want to hit anybody when you're flying this thing. I'm gonna make sure safety is always a concern here. Now I'm going to go down this steep little hill in the roundabout, and then we'll call it a wrap. Go under this tree right here and end our bike route. Now, like I said, I just wanted to, do a quick short test. Hopefully it sounds good. You guys let me know in the comments. All right, so it actually landed on its own, and that's a wrap. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. If you liked the video, please add a like to it. And if you want to subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this one, go ahead and do so now. Very much appreciated. Thank you again, and God bless you all.